Hello YouTubers, how are you guys? The rainy season is here, and if you have wipers that do not function anymore, they have problems, they leave stains on your windshield, where it's a solution. I found this $2 or $3 online tool. I had wipers from Bosch, now I have Silencio Extreme, are great for the windshield, but I want to repair the Bosch wipers, and I know you have expensive wipers on your car that do not function anymore. So I want to make a test with the Silencio Extreme and then with the old Bosch that I had problems and replaced, and I want to see the difference because it's somehow raining now. I want to make this test. So let's begin. Now guys, this is the windshield, is covered with water, rainwater, and I think I have a perfect wiping of the windshield. I don't have stains, I don't have anything. If you can see, Vallejo Extreme are expensive, but they're doing their job and they're holding in time, except for the winter. Do not use the wipers when the windshield is frozen, and you have to consider these aspects if you want to keep them good. So let's cut to the chase, let's mount the old ones, and then we'll try to repair them. We'll see if it works. Guys, I don't know how to show exactly, but there are some stains for the old ones, and here is more visible. The lines are a lot of lines. Let's focus again here. Are a lot of lines. Let's see, with these wipers, and the windshield is blurry. It makes blurry the windshield, the right one mostly, and this one, the left one, which you will not see in Vallejo, in the new one. I'm not saying that Vallejo will not turn up to act like these Bosch wipers. And now let's do the procedure, and let's see how they are. So I don't know if it has a way of this. I think both ways are working. We will do in the car because outside is raining. It has a sandpaper inside, and this sandpaper takes the first 2 or 3 layers. Is just a sandpaper inside. I think first it's a cutter, but it's not a cutter inside. It's just a sandpaper. That it's important to make this procedure with this straight, with the wiper straight. And if you can see, it takes some of the dirt, of the residue made after this operation. And I don't know if it works, but it looks okay. Let's do the same to the other wiper and see. So guys, we mounted the wipers. Let's focalize. Okay, and let's see. And it's a little bit better, I have to admit. Here we have some small lines, but are okay. Here it remains the stains. It remains the stains here. I don't know if you can see them, guys. I focalize just for you to see that remains some stains, but it's an improvement to the right one, which I had the problems, to the long one, the right one. And here on the left one, I see that on the base it's more okay, but in this side are stains. So guys, this product does not make miracles, but they are improvements, I got to say. And if I will insist to the left wiper, I believe I will make it perfect. The right one, it's looking okay, but if the wiper it's unloose from the rubber, it's cracked there, you will not succeed with this one. Your wipers must be in good condition, sticked from factory. If it's unloose from the base, you will not succeed. It's a $2 product, and this product will cut off the first layers of the wipers. It's a possibility because it has a sandpaper in these channels which will direction the rubber inside this small thing, and it will do. I was curious for you guys to test this small thing. You will find it on all selling platforms on internet. It doesn't have a brand. Please do not get upset. We reviewed before some unbranded products, but you can make an opinion from our videos from how it looks, and you can buy it. If you think this video was helpful, thumbs up for us, guys, and subscribe that button because we'll have crazy videos and good ideas for you guys, free ideas. Have a pleasant day, guys. See you. Bye.